Hey, wanted to make a video today about replacing the cabin air filter on the Chevy Spark. This is a 2020 model. People are making it a lot harder than it has to be, I believe. Anyway, if you take this, you reach up under here, there's like a ledge, and all you got to do, pop that up, and then squeeze in here, squeeze in here. I'm doing this with one hand, so you obviously should be able to do this with two. Making it harder. There you go. And then it just comes right out. Don't have to stress the plastic or anything. And I'm going to take my gun right here, convenient 7mm. Zip that out. Zip that one out. And easy. Just falls right out. And then your cabin air filter is right here, right here. Just pop these forward like this. Cabin air filter right there. Thank you. Have a great day.